Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you that how to book and pay your Airblue ticket online. First of all, select your desired city and your destination city from the tabs, and also select your desired date. Then click on the search tab. In the next window, you can see different type of fares without baggage, with 20 kg baggage, and with 40 kg baggage with different fares. I have selected without baggage and click on the tab. Now click on the continue tab. In the next window, here you should put all the credential according to the passport record of the passenger, name of the passenger, first name and last name, your contact number here. In the below tabs, should put passport number of the passenger according to the passport record, as well as expiry and date of birth of the passenger in the below tabs. And also select the issuing country. I have selected Pakistan. In this window, I have updated all the credentials according to the passport of the passenger. Now should click on the continue tab. In the next window, you can see different type of seat which have different fares. I have selected the seat without any fare, which is free of cost. Select your seat here, which is free of cost. Then click on the below tab. To proceed further to the next window, skip here the desired selection. Now you have completed your booking, and then you can again check your credential according to the passport, and you can update all the credential against it according to the passport record. Now you should update your credential. Again, you can change your credentials every time, again and again. I have updated all the credentials. Now click on the continue tab. Now you have updated your ticket according to the passport record. Now check your credential of the passenger according to the passport record. Then click on the ticket issuing tab. In the next window, you can put your password of the main agent ID and click on the payment option. Now you have successfully paid your ticket. Here you can see the barcode of your ticket. It means that you have successfully paid your ticket. Click on the print tab and get your printed ticket from the main agent ID. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share the video, like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.